Hi friends, Samsung Galaxy A53 has come to people's attention due to various reasons. The Galaxy A53 is a brilliant mid-range phone with an excellent display, top camera, and software support bested only by Apple. I think the Galaxy A53 is a better phone than Apple's SE, and there's an awful lot about it that I like: a great design, excellent software support, waterproofing, and capable cameras. Impressive 64 megapixel main camera. Alright ultra-wide and macro. Great 32 megapixel selfie camera. There's no real cause for concern though. The main 64 megapixel camera is capable of really bright, punchy shots in good light, and, thanks to a wide f1.8 aperture and optical image stabilization, it holds its own in dimmer conditions too, preserving detail and contrast nicely. That 64 megapixel main sensor is flanked by 3 more. An 8 megapixel ultra-wide, 5 megapixel macro, and 5 megapixel depth sensor. The latter simply helps with portrait shots, while the first two are inevitably situational, but don't do badly. The ultra-wide, in particular, takes more vibrant, colorful shots than I'd expect from rivals, though there's a definite drop in detail compared to the main camera. On the front, the 32 megapixel selfie camera is a surprise highlight. Selfies pack in loads of detail and great color range, even in challenging lighting. I've taken worse selfies on phones twice this price, and this camera is a real strength for the phone. Friends, click on the link given in the description box for details. If you like the video, please subscribe.